Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some steps to keep your iPhone cool and running smoothly. Let's get started. First up, it's important to make sure all of your apps are updated. To check for updates, head over to the App Store, tap on your profile icon, and then hit Updates. Update all your apps to their latest versions to keep everything running as efficiently as possible. Next, if your iPhone is overheating and becomes unresponsive, a force restart can help cool things down and reset the system. Here's how to do it. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. It's also a good idea to check which apps are draining your battery. Some apps are more power hungry than others, and when they use up too much power, it can cause your iPhone to overheat. To check, go to Settings, tap Battery, and you'll see a list of apps and how much battery they're using. If an app is using up a ton of power, you might want to limit its use or find alternatives that are more efficient. And finally, one more simple but effective tip: avoid using your iPhone while it's charging. Using resource-heavy apps while your phone is charging can cause it to heat up quickly. Try them out and let me know in the comments if you notice a difference. And don't forget to subscribe.